Hello guys, here we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA and welcome on the toilet cycle overview video. So the first cycle is a eco from 40 to 60 degrees and it's for cleaning normally soiled cotton items which are declared to be washable at 40 or 60 degrees of Celsius together in the same cycle. The maximum load of this cycle is 8 kilograms on this device. The next cycle is a cotton and it's for cottons, bed linens, table linens and underwear, towels or shirts. The washing time and the rinse count are automatically adjusted according to the load. The maximum load is 8 kilograms for this device. The 50 minutes quick wash, it's for a quick washing, and remember the max load of this cycle it's about 2 kilograms. The super speed is a fast completion for every item such as underwear and shirts. The maximum load is 5 kilograms. The intense cold, it's a low temperature eco bubble cycle, helps reduce power consumption. The maximum load of laundry is 4 kilograms. The wool cycle is specific for machine washable wool. The maximum kilograms is 2. The outdoor is for outdoor clothes, skiwear and sportswear, and the maximum load is 2 kilograms. For the shirts, maximum load is 2 kilograms, for the towels 4 kilograms. The hygiene steam cycle is for a cotton and linen fabric, which have been in direct contact with the skin, such as underwear. For optimum hygiene results, select the temperature of 60 degrees Celsius or above. The maximum load is for 4 kilograms. The baby car cycle featuring the high temperature wash and extra rinse to help remove the remaining detergent effectively. The maximum load is 4 kilograms. The rinse plus spin is featuring an additional rinse process after applying the fabric softener to the laundry. The drain and spin for draining the water inside the drum and running an additional spin process to effectively remove from laundry. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.